How to make money with AI trading bots in 2026. AI trading bots are one of the most discussed and most misunderstood topics in personal finance right now. On one end of the spectrum, you have people claiming these bots generate guaranteed passive income with no effort. On the other end, you have people saying they're all scams and you'll lose everything. Now, the truth, as it actually does, sits in the middle and it's more nuanced than either extreme. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you the honest, complete picture of AI trading bots in 2026, what they actually are, how they actually work, and which ones are quite legitimate. Now, what realistic returns look like and the specific steps you get started safely if you decide this is something you want to explore. Now, there is no guaranteed profit here, but trading involves real risk. There are also legitimate tools that can actually give retail investors systematic, emotion-free trading strategies that genuinely improve their results when used correctly. Now, an AI trading bot is a software that automatically executes trades on your behalf based on proper program strategy or algorithm. Now, the AI component in modern trading bots refers to the use of machine learning models that actually analyzes market data, identifies patterns, and makes trading decisions based on their proper patterns. Now, traditional trading bots follow simple rule-based logic. Now, there could be logics like buy when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, for example. Now, modern AI bots go much further. They process vast amounts of historical price data. They even go in news sentiment, order flow data, technical indicators, and sometimes alternative data sources to generate trading signals. Now, what bots actually do better than humans? So, first of all, they execute without any emotion. One of the most documented problems with human trading is emotional decision making. Panic selling during downturns, greed driven overholding of winners, revenge trading after losses, a properly configured but executes its program strategy regardless of market sentiment or short-term volatility. Now they operate 24 hours a day. Markets, especially crypto markets, operate continuously. Now a bot can pretty much go ahead and monitor everything, and trade overnight. On weekends and during any hours that you're unavailable, your bot is going to do it for you. Now, this matters especially in cryptocurrency where significant price movements regularly happen outside traditional trading hours. Now, they execute trades faster than any human can, and for strategies that depend on speed, arbitrage, momentum trading, certain technical pattern trades, the millisecond execution advantage of automated systems is quite meaningful. Now, what do bots don't do? First of all, they don't guarantee profits. This cannot be stressed enough. Every trading strategy, no matter how sophisticated the AI, loses money in certain market conditions. Now, a bot that makes money in trending markets may lose money in choppy, sideways markets. Now, a bot that performs well in bull markets may perform poorly in bear markets. They don't manage unprecedented events. The AI models underlying trading bots are trained on historical data, genuinely unprecedented events, a major exchange collapse, an unexpected regulatory change, a major geopolitical event can actually produce market behavior that historical models did not anticipate. Now, the trading bot ecosystem has actually matured quite significantly, and there are now several legitimate established platforms. And here is an honest assessment of the main option. So, first and foremost, there is going to be three commas. Okay. Now, three commas is one of the most established crypto trading bots out there. All right. Now, it supports connections to over 20 exchanges through API. It offers DCA, which is dollar cost averaging bots, grid bots, option bots, and smart trade features with DCA bots automatically buying additional positions when an asset dips below your entry price, reducing your average cost. Now, this is a disciplined strategy that realistically has a solid historical backing for long-term holders. The pricing is going to start at $29 a month. The platform has been operating since 2017 and it has genuine track record. Then moving on, we have Pionex. Now, Pionex is unique in that it's both an exchange and a free bot platform. Now, there's 16 Built-in trading bots are going to include grid bots, leveraged grid bots, infinity grid bots, and DCA bots because the bots are built directly into the exchange rather than connecting via API. There are no monthly platform fees. Pionex actually charges only the standard trading fee, which is 0.05% per trade. And for beginners starting on Pionex, eliminates the complexity of API setup and removes monthly platform costs. And one other great platform that you can actually dive a little into is called TradingView. Now, TradingView is for people who are technically more inclined. Okay, TradingView is something that a normal person can't really use. It's pretty straightforward, but of course, straightforward in the case that you are an experienced veteran in this stuff. Now, TradingView strategy alerts can be connected to exchanges, and you can do that via webhooks. Now, to do that, you can do it automatically executing trades based on custom Pine script strategies. This approach is going to require more setup, but offers complete customization of the underlying strategy. It's free to create strategies, and PineScript is totally free, though executing live alerts requires a TradingView paid plan. Then moving on, you also have another great platform called Cryptohopper. Now, Cryptohopper is a cloud-based trading bot platform that also works pretty incredibly. Now, offers at marketplace where professional traders are going to sell their strategies. You can quite literally license strategies from experienced traders rather than actually going ahead and building your own. Now, this is quite useful if you want algorithmic trading but don't have the knowledge to create your own strategy. Now, the subscriptions start at $19 a month. You also have stock trading bots that you can use. And of course, it depends on your type of work and your type of trading you want to do and how much time you're actually putting into it with the regulatory environment. So, doing something like this for yourself can work pretty incredibly. Now, the trading bot space has significant fraud, and knowing the red flags actually protects you. Now, first and foremost, there are guaranteed returns. Low legitimate trading system guarantees returns. Markets are inherently uncertain. Any platform that guarantees you 5% per week or similar specific returns are either lying or running a Ponzi scheme where early investors are paid with new investor money. Now, you don't control your own keys. Legitimate bots and legitimate platforms are, of course, going to work accordingly. And working with things like these will totally depend on you. So, AI trading bots in 2026 are quite legitimate tools that can help disciplined traders implement systematic strategies without emotional interference. So, go ahead and start using them. See their strategies, see if it is the type of thing that works for you. And yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.